Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Homeopathic Trials. We come up with different videos on homeopathy. With this video, we are aiming for 250 subscribers. So please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified and also help us to reach our goal of 250 subscribers. Our today's topic is magnesium group. Today, in this video, we are going to see various points like detailed thematic understanding of the magnesium group, characteristic mental symptoms of the magnesium group, or the remedy differentiation and other characteristic general and particular symptoms of magnesium group. So do watch this video till the end. Magnesium is the element of mineral kingdom which belongs to row 3 and column 2 of the periodic table. The main theme of the row 3 is of development of identity, while that of column 2 of the periodic table is want of support, and thus the main theme of magnesium as an element is want of support to develop his own identity. Thus, magnesium people have this confidence of living alone on himself, but he requires support of someone for this. Now, keeping in mind this central feeling of magnesium group, we will see the different aspects of magnesium group's mind. The first important symptom of magnesium group is insecurity. The central feeling of the want of support in magnesiums create tremendous anxiety and insecurity in them. These people have a great need for support, protection, and nourishment. The second important theme of magnesiums is repression. This is another important theme of magnesiums. Repression involves holding back of the unwanted impulses or thoughts unconsciously. Very early in the life of a magnesium person, they learn that in order to get that support or security, they have to suppress their emotions, and thus, as they grow up, they start getting least affected and develop repression where they do not have to put conscious efforts to suppress their emotions. The third important feeling of a magnesium person is the feeling of being neglected. When the magnesium constitutions lack this support or protection which they crave for, they start feeling neglected or forsaken. This is the root from where the most famous rubric of magnesium, that is delusion orphan he is, comes from. The example of the situation of a magnesium person is like that of an unwanted female child where the parents were desperately expecting a male child. In such conditions, these people then become non-demanding and start repressing their emotions. Dreams. The dreams of magnesiums are quite characteristic, and all their repressed emotions make a way in the dreams, and so all these people have a lot of dreams. Most of the dreams of magnesiums are symbolic and depict a feeling of aloneness. For example, the entry of robbers in the home while being alone in the house. Other dreams might involve dreams of house, fruits, water, of falling, etc. These were some basic features seen almost in all the remedies of magnesium group. Well, there are also few other mental characters like strong sense of duty and care for everyone, feeling of being left behind, need for peace and intolerance to violence, great internal anxiety or fear as if something bad is going to happen. While learning the magnesium group, it becomes very important and essential for us to differentiate it from few groups and remedies like natrums, calcareas, barium or barytas, and alumina. Now, natrum belongs to the first column of row 3, where the dependence is quite high than the magnesium, and thus natrums cannot even think of independent existence, while magnesiums just need a support for independent existence. Calcareas. Calcareas originate from the element calcium, which belongs to the row 4 and column 2 of the periodic table. Calcareas too have this lack of insecurity or lack of security, but unlike the magnesiums, their insecurity develops from an overprotected background where the magnesiums lack this. Also, the insecurity of calcarea is marked at a financial level. Barytas. Barytas or bariums belong to row 6, where the theme is of responsibility or leadership, and to the column 2, where the theme is of need of support. Thus, the main theme in Baryta is the need of support to become a leader, and also when the Barytas lack support, they feel handicapped, unlike the magnesiums who feel forsaken or neglected. Alumina. Alumina belonging to the same row but column 3 has the main theme of confusion of identity, which is not at all seen in the magnesiums. Now, few important remedies of the magnesium group are magnesium bromatum, magnesium carbonicum, magnesium fluoricum, magnesium iodatum, magnesium muriaticum, magnesium phosphoricum, magnesium sulfuricum, and magnesium eusta. Physical general features of magnesium group are: a person of a magnesium group is stout, fair, flabby, the skin is pale, puffy, oily, and waxy, with loose skin and lax fibers. These people are thermally very chilly and sensitive to cold. Magnesium group of remedies are predominantly the right-sided remedies. The general common desires of magnesium group as a whole include desire for meat, desire for vegetables, desire for refreshing things, etc. All the magnesium group remedies have aversion to cooked food. Now let us have a look at few causative factors or ailments of magnesium group of remedies. The magnesium people are mostly affected by suppression of emotions or by suppression of discharges. Another important causative modalities of magnesium group of remedies can be heat of sun, dentition, or change of weather. There are few important characteristic physical symptoms which are seen at a general level of magnesium group, which are as follows. The first one is degeneration. Magnesium group of remedies have important relation to the nervous system, and there is great amount of degeneration which is seen at the level of nervous system, leading to nervous conditions like peripheral paralysis and affections of muscle excitability, etc. Now, magnesium group of remedies being psychotic in nature, they have a tendency to form new growth like tumors, warts, or malignant growths, etc. The discharges of the magnesium group of remedies are also quite sour, profuse, and very offensive. The menstrual discharges are very dark, tar-like, and complaints have either aggravation or amelioration with relation to the menses. Thank you for watching our entire video. If you liked our video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And also do comment and share your valuable feedback so that we can improve and bring more good content for you all. You can also share your suggestions by connecting us with on Instagram or Telegram, and can also write to us on our mail ID given in the description box below.